Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your update for Bitcoin. Yes, we are moving. And guys, I have a really nice target to the upside, and I can tell you where is the perfect point to take profit for this long position. So guys, let's check this. This is the daily update for Bitcoin. Let's go, guys. Okay, here we are. This is the update. Let's start with TradingView. TradingView is telling us, okay, we should buy Bitcoin on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, yes, we should buy Bitcoin. On the 2 hours, buy Bitcoin. And on the 1 hour, yes, we should buy Bitcoin. Everything is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Really nice, right? Okay, guys, let's check. Let's move on. The next thing. Guys, this is now really important because this is the Bitcoin dominance. And you can see we saw a bad red parallel channel to the downside. We broke out to the upside yesterday, and now we are here in this zone. We are going sideways a little bit. Maybe this is the time now for altcoins. Maybe we're going down again more because of this big uptrend. We lost the big uptrend and we are going down maybe now. So maybe this is the time for altcoins. We will check it. Guys, here is CoinMarketCap, and you can see CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is going up 3% in the week. 10%. Nice. Ethereum is going up only 1.3%, and in 7 days, 10%. The Binance coin is going sideways a little bit, 0% on the day, but 19% plus in the week. It was the week for Binance coin, guys. So the next coins you can see on the day they're going up a little bit, but on the week a really nice plus 21%, 12%, 15%. So most altcoins saw a better gain this week or last week, and now it's the big question: can Bitcoin move on more and more or not? Cardano, you can see it, and so on. 24 hours, the biggest winner is LivePeer, 52% in 24 hours. Awesome. Loopring, 33%. Basic Attention Token, 25% in the plus on the day. The biggest loser for the day, we will check this also really quick. Crypto.com is going down 7%. Cardano 6%. But you can see, guys, these are not big losers here. The biggest win in 7 days, Cardano, 160%, Loopring, 127%. Biggest loser, Shiba Inu in the last 7 days. But we saw a big bump for Shiba Inu. I made a nice long position for Shiba Inu. I made a nice short position for Shiba Inu. Now, I'm waiting a little bit what's going on. So I'm out for the moment for Shiba Inu. I'm waiting here a little bit. But all in all, it's possible for Shiba Inu to move on more and more, guys. But okay, Bitcoin dominance, 43.7%, Ethereum, 19.4%. Guys, this is really important. We have for the moment a lot of bullish pattern. Here on the daily, I showed you yesterday, we have the 3 outside up, a bullish pattern. Here on the 5 hour, here's no pattern. I think it's a mistake from investing.com, and also here on the 1 hour, no pattern here. But I thought, or I can read this pattern, and they are all bullish for the moment, guys. So let's check this. Now let's go in our TradingView, in our chart, and make the analysis. Bitcoin, 1 hour time frame, every candle is 1 hour. This is the big triangle. I showed you this. I showed you the green line. It was here the support point, the first pivot support point. And I told you guys to make a long position here on the downside. No, I'm not telling you make everything, because I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial advisor. I told you guys I make a long position on the green line here. I made it up to the triangle, 63,000. I made it up to the Fibonacci line, 0.786. I told you guys, attention, here is a big fight. If we will see a confirmed closing candle under 0.786, under 65,000, I will make a took profit here. But I will take profit here. But guys, you can see it here. We saw no confirmed closing candle here. And we saw no spike to this line. It was really close yesterday. We spoke about this in my live stream. But we are again over this, a nice breakout to the upside over our last all-time high. And this fight here, guys, was a really heart attack fight. But okay, I still in the long position here to the upside. We saw the fight with 67,000 was a short fight. It was a nice volume candle. We broke through, and now we are here. We made a new all-time high. Congratulations, Bitcoin, for the new all-time high. And we can make this point here. Let me check. The new all-time high was about 68,500. So for the moment, the big question is now, guys, where is the time to take profit? We are now in a really nice long position. Look at this. From the downside, we can measure it to the price for the moment, 12.5% in the plus. If you're making leverage, 10x, 100x, it doesn't matter. You make millions, guys, with this trade. Congratulations once again to all of guys. They followed me in this trade. So, okay, guys, Where is now, Biti, tell me, where is now the point to take profit? I would not like to lose all or everything here in this long position. Guys, once again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I can tell you what I am making here. First of all, let me check this one. Let's remove this Fibonacci line, guys. I need some minutes now to show you this, guys. Not a 5-minute, 2-minute today, because it's not so easy, but I can show you my next steps. The big technical target here on the upside, 74,700. This is the really big thing. I hope we will reach this. But it's also possible to go down from here again. And now I will show you where is the perfect place for me to take profit for my long position. Let's check this one. Fibonacci retracement. Highest point, this was this one here, to the lowest point, to the downside, this was this one here. Okay, now you can see the next target to the upside is the 1.618 Fibonacci 72,600. This is the next point to watch if we can move on to the upside. Okay, that's it. Now, guys, let's check the next thing. Where's the time to take profit, Biti? Okay, I can show you guys. This one here is now very interesting because we had our last all-time high and we can make now a parallel channel from the downside over this point to this point here, and we can put it to this highest point here. So you can see this was a parallel channel, a nice parallel channel, and here was the big fight with this parallel channel. Since hours we fighted with this and we broke up again. So you can see, okay, this parallel channel is broken to the upside. It's not so important for us, but you can see here is an extreme big support line. This line here, this red line, is a really big support line, and we need to watch this in the near future. So we have to draw it here, and it is now a really big support. Also here, guys, look at this. Our last all-time high is now the big support line, this yellow line, 67,000. So in my opinion, as long as we are over 67,000, everything is okay, everything is fine. But if we will fall down under 67,000 again, we have to make our, maybe make our profit here, or take our profit here. So guys, we are now in a nice little uptrend channel. This is this one. You can see the middle line. You can see Bitcoin is reacting really good to the middle line. And this is now also a big thing. So in my opinion, guys, I can show you 67,000 is a really big support. You can see it. Here's the middle line. You can see it. Here is the Fibonacci. Here is our last all-time high. Guys, we need to watch this. If we will fall down under 67,000, it's maybe time to take here a little bit profit. It's possible to fall down, it's possible to spike this line again and then to the upside. If we will break through to the downside, we have some support points. You can see this red line, we have the 0.786 and so on and so on. We have here a lot of support lines, but we have to watch it. If we break 67,000, for the moment, everything is fine, everything is okay. Let me check the next thing. I told you guys we have to the upside 73,600. We have the technical target 74,700. These are the big things we have to watch. The ribbon band on the downside is here. You can see it. It's measuring completely exactly with our 67,000. So remember, ribbon band, big support. This last all-time high, big support. We have here a lot of support, guys. So this is the point I'm watching for the moment, 67,000. Okay, let me show you the next thing, guys. Let me check the indicators and let me check the RSI. The RSI is a little problem for the moment. You can see we are overbought. We are for the moment on 74 points. Okay, we are overbought and we can make here a nice support line from the downside to the upside. And what can we see here, guys? We are really close to the RSI support line. Guys, if we will break down under the RSI support line, it's maybe also time to take a little profit. It depends always how much leverage do you use, how much money you have in this trade. Guys, I can tell you have to make this, and I can tell you have to make this. I can tell you, in my opinion, I will take maybe some profit if we will fall down under the RSI, and we are for the moment over the RSI support. On the 4-hour time frame, it's the same thing. Let me show you. We are overbought here, okay? And we can make the line from here to here. And you can see, okay, a little space to the downside, but not so much space to the downside on the 4-hour time frame. Here's the same picture. Maybe we are falling down a little bit. Maybe it's time to take profit if we are falling down under the RSI support line, guys. Let's watch this. And last but not least, 10 minutes, sorry guys, but it's so important now. This is the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, we can make a line also for the RSI. And you can see it here. Let me show you. Yes, like this here. No, like this here. So on the daily, we have a lot of space to the downside. On the daily, we are not overbought for the moment. So guys, it's possible to go down here a little bit more. It's possible to go down deeper as 67,000. So 67,000 is for me the first point to take profit here. Not all out, but the first time to take profit. And this is a really, really nice gain, guys. I'm very happy with this. So if you are trading like this, guys, no one can, it's your money. No one can take away this money. If you make a stop loss position under 67,000, it's your trade, it's your profit, and don't forget to take profit. Yes, it's possible to go up more and more. It's possible 74,000 and so on. But remember, you have to take profit. It's your money, guys. Last but not least, this is the daily, this is the Ichimoku, and you can see we are nice over the blue line, we are nice over the red line. The blue line is the 9 lengths, the red line is the 26 lengths, and you can see the blue line is at 64,000. So guys, it's possible to fall down to 64,000, and it's always bullish. It's still bullish. So if you're falling down on to 64,000, it's bullish, guys. Don't be scared if you're falling down a little bit more. It's possible. So take profit 67,000, and then we will see what's going on if we're going down under 67,000. I hope we will move on here, and it's an easy trade, guys. This is it. A lot of things I know, guys, but it's very important to watch this, in my opinion. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your support. Guys, I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions. Bye, guys.
System activated.